Hello students, in today's session we are going to discuss about occurrence of metals. So we already know the physical and chemical properties, the ionic compounds and the properties of ionic compounds through the previous session, right? But today we shall know how these metals are extracted. We will get to know the occurrence of metal. Occurrence means exist. How do metals exist in nature? Where do we get the metals from? How they are extracted? So in this occurrence of metal, there are various steps involved. There are various procedures to get our metal. But in that, the starting two steps or the starting two process, today we shall discuss in today's class. Okay. So the first step will be extraction of metals. The second step will be enrichment of ores. So it is not a step, but we will learn some of the elements, some of the terms which are related to the extraction of the metals. Like we have a term called gauge. Do remember these terms. I note it very importantly. I note it as important terms as they have been asked many times for the previous examination of annual. Okay, and even there are chances to ask you people again. What is in the gauge? It is called gauge. Okay, or gang. We can say it as gauge or gang. So gauge. Next, what is meant by metallurgy? And what is meant by ore? And what is meant by enrichment? So all these terms you have to note it separately along with the explanation. Note it once again these terms separately. Note on their definitions, the terminology of these terms. Okay. So for the occurrence of, to know the occurrence of metals, there are various processes and various procedures. In that, the starting two procedures will be extraction of metals and the second step will be enrichment of ores. And for this, the related flow chart or the figure in your textbook will be figure number 3.9 that involves the activity series and related metallurgy. So what is meant by metallurgy? You will see in the upcoming video, upcoming slide. And figure 3.10, it shows, it is a flow chart which shows the steps involved in the extraction of the ore. So now we shall see in details about these two steps and also about the terminologies and what is, why are these terms related to in this, what is meant by these terms, that we will discuss through this video. Note on all the important terms, note on everything that will be shown in these slides. Occurrence of metals. Extraction of metals and ores. Earth is the major source of metals. However, seawater also contains some soluble salts. Minerals are the elements or compounds which occur naturally in the Earth's crust. Sometimes minerals contain a very high percentage of a metal. This metal can be extracted from it. Such minerals are called ores. Ores are impure metals that contain a large amount of sand and rocky material. These impurities in the ore are called gangue. Metals have different reactive nature based on their position in the activity series. Some metals are inactive in nature and tend to exist in free state. Reactive metals combine with other metals and exist in combined state. Metals occur in nature either in the native, that is free state, or in the combined state. Gold and platinum occur exclusively in the free state. Copper, that is Cu, mercury, Hg, and silver, Ag, occur in free state. Most of the metals occur in nature as compounds in combination with other elements. The compounds are mainly in the form of oxides, sulfides, carbonates, sulfates, chlorides, and silicates. Extraction of metals from the ores. The various steps involved in the extraction of the metal from its source, followed by refining of the metal, is called as metallurgy. You can see the processes. The actual process for the extraction of a particular metal from its ore depends upon nature of the ore, nature of impurities, and nature of the metal to be extracted. The three main steps involved in the extraction of any metal are: first is enrichment of the ore, that is concentration of the ore. Second is extraction of the metal from the concentrated ore. And last, refining of the impure metal. Diagrammatic representation is shown for the ore to be extracted from its concentration. Concentration or dressing of the ore. The removal of unwanted impurities from the ore so that the concentration of the metal in the ore increases. This process is called as ore enrichment or ore dressing. Gangue, it is also known as matrix. The sandy and rocky impurities that are associated with the minerals are called as gangue or matrix. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Remember that most of the metals are oxides. This is because oxygen is very reactive element and very abundant on earth. Hope you have better understood about these steps and also about these terms. What is meant by gangue? Gangue is nothing but the particles, sand or soil particles that will be present along with the ore. And what is meant by metallurgy? Metallurgy is nothing but the extraction of metals from their ore is called metallurgy. Whereas what is ore? Ores are nothing but the profitable minerals present along with the metal elements. Okay, that is called as ore. And the remaining rest of the process and the rest of the steps we will discuss in the next class. But in the next class we will discuss the extraction of metals based on the reactivity series. That means how the low reactivity, first we will discuss the how low reactive elements will be extracted. Next the middle reactive element will be extracted, and the last very highly reactive elements, how they are extracted. All the extraction of these types of three types of metals involves various and different methods. Okay, that we shall discuss in the next upcoming classes. Thank you.